By the mid-1980s, EMO had already established itself as the world stage for machine tools. The 1985 edition in Hannover, sprawled across 158,000 square meters, marked a technology shift. The rise of manufacturing cells, CAD/CAM systems, and sensor-driven diagnostics that signaled the dawn of digitalisation in metalworking. While EMO was shaping the global stage for manufacturing, in 1986, another story of innovation began in Würselen, Germany. Dr. Toni Leyendecker founded CemeCon AG, a company that would soon become a world leader in vacuum coating technology for cutting tools. Just 4 years after the inception, Semicon took a decisive step towards by opening its first dedicated coating center in Aachen, Germany, laying the foundation of what would become a global success story.
As a global leader in diamond coating and technology leader in PVD HiPIMS coating for precision tools, we give our customers a decisive performance edge.
In 2000, the company introduced its diamond product line and additionally a new generation of CC800 PVD coating technology, giving manufacturers access to tools that could take on the toughest materials. The landmark year came in 2012 when it launched HiPIMS coating technology on an industrial scale worldwide, hailed as a game changer on vacuum coating for cutting tools. Today, Semicon continues to grow with a strong presence in every major manufacturing region. In 2022, the company extended its global network with the establishment of Semicon Coating Private Limited in India, and in 2024, it launched the HiPIMS Multicon Coating, reinforcing its position as a leader in advanced coating technologies.
For more than 35 years, we have been working with leading tool manufacturers around the world, and the EMO is where this partnership comes to life. It's a perfect place to discuss what's next, new materials, tool geometries, and new markets, and how our coating technology can unlock new performance levels.
From its origins in Germany to becoming a global partner, Semicon's journey reflects nearly 4 decades of innovation and its commitment to empowering manufacturers worldwide.